Now let's investigate the graphs of rational functions. Rational functions are functions that are in the form the function of x is equal to px over fx, where px and fx are polynomials. And when you graph a rational function, the graph is going to look a particular way. Let's take a look at some graphs of rational functions. Here's the graph of a rational function. It is called a hyperbola. Now notice that there are certain parts of a hyperbola. There are two axes, and in this case we can call the horizontal asymptote, and the vertical asymptote. And you'll notice that there are two branches that are symmetrical, and they are in opposite quadrants. For every value on this branch, there is an opposite corresponding value on the other branch. Let's take a look at another hyperbola. Here's another hyperbola. Now notice the corresponding values that match. If I go to -2, 1, I'm right here. If I go to +2, 1, I'm right here. So I could go 2, 1 on this side and -2, 1 on the other. And these are the corresponding values of these two branches. Let's look at another one. Here I've got -4 and about 1/4. -4 and about 1/4. And here I've got +4 and about 1/4. Again, corresponding values that are the opposites. Here's another hyperbola. Let's look for the corresponding values here. Let's start off by going to -1 all the way down to here, and we're at about -1. So here I have -1, -1. Let's go here. I have 1, I come up to here, and I'm at 1. 1, 1. Let's look at one more. I have 3 and about 1/3. So let's say that's 3 and 1/3, about 1/3. And here I've got -3 and -1/3. Again, opposite values that correspond will form the branches of this hyperbola.